Alright, so today we're working on this custom box computer. The fan in the power supply actually went bad, so it's making a ton of noise. So we're replacing that today because it's just easier getting a new power supply. So took that part out. We're going to put the new one in. We're going to set it up back where the old one was. Make sure it gets placed properly. Line up the screw hole. We've got one screw in. And putting them in diagonally so that I know it kind of gets placed correctly in there. I don't have issues with the way it sits in the future. Oh man, just doesn't have to stay in. Alright, so now we've got that in there, we're going to plug in all our supply cords. The first and most important one is the one to the motherboard. You're going to look for the clip right there. It's got to go over to the side of the other side of the clip. Plug that in until it snaps. Then you got to get one for the disk drive and the hard drives. This box actually has two hard drives. Plug that in just like that, and you're going to want to make sure you notice that the slot is an L shape, so that way you get it on correctly. And we got those in. Just gotta get the disk drive in. Okay. Everything's in secure. And maybe one more for the other fan, and that would be a 4-prong for the CPU. And again, just make sure your clip is lined up correctly with the slot. There we go. Now we're in there securely. And just make sure there's no other slots, and you should be good to go.